Welcome to today's episode where we delve into typing React components and hooks using TypeScript. This integration enhances the robustness and maintainability of your React Native apps. Let's get started by exploring how to apply types to functional components and utilize TypeScript with React hooks. Functional components are the backbone of modern React development. With TypeScript, you can define explicit types for props and the state to ensure components are used correctly throughout your application. Here, we define a props interface that specifies the expected structure for the props. The greeting component is typed using react.fc props, which stands for functional component, and ensures that it receives a greeting prop of type string. React hooks are powerful for managing state and side effects in functional components. TypeScript can help manage the types of variables within these hooks, enhancing code quality and bug prevention. In this counter component, useState is initialized with 0 and explicitly typed as number. This ensures that the count variable is always treated as a number, and TypeScript will raise an error if we try to set it to a different type. When using more complex hooks like useReducer or custom hooks, TypeScript's type annotations become invaluable. They provide clarity to the hook's logic and state management. This example demonstrates a counter with reducer component using useReducer. Both the state and dispatch action are typed to ensure all actions dispatched, and state changes are predictably managed by TypeScript. By properly typing React components and hooks, you leverage TypeScript's full potential to create more reliable and maintainable React Native applications. As you continue to build, keep these practices in mind to elevate your development process. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more insights on leveraging TypeScript in your React Native projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.